What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the Haunted Call Bell from Cracker Barrel. Alright guys, so this is like a bell thing, like a skeleton hand. It like ding ding, it kind of presses the, like, imagine like, you know, those creepy hotels. Like, I'll show you guys. Yeah, this is the box art. It's a very small box. I'm actually using the pumpkins box to help me get it up so you guys can see it. So let's just get straight into this. I'm not expecting a setup just like the pumpkin. I'm not really expecting a setup. Just put the batteries in, I assume. And here it is. I'm gonna pull it out. Yep. Packaged pretty well. You can probably tell this is a techie prop because it is zip tied in there. But yeah. So yeah, there's no real setup. Just gotta put the batteries in, and then you're good to go. So I will see you guys for when we get the batteries in. All right, guys, I got it all ready. Let's turn it on.
You have chosen an excellent resting place. Enter, and in the darkness you will find me. You have chosen an excellent resting place.
Alright guys, so that was the Haunted Call Bell from Cracker Barrel. I think it's a pretty good prop for $25. Not a bad prop at all. I think it should last for a while if you just keep it indoors, and I think it'll be a really nice prop for like tabletop like I have it right now. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description to buy this prop if you would like. I'll also leave a link for the merch. Thank you guys so much for watching. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.